Hi everybody, these are corrections for the 7th grade formative 1.2 to 1.3 number lines. In questions 1 through 5, it asks you to evaluate the expression, but it wants you to do so through a number line. So in number 1, we are at negative 12. And it is asking us to add 5, which means we're going to go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That puts us at negative 7. And number 2, we are at negative 3. And it's saying go to the opposite of negative 7. Or it means that we're going to the opposite of left. The opposite of left is right. So I'm going to go right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My number line was not long enough. And that goes ahead and puts us at a positive 4. In number 3, I am at negative 3, and I'm adding 7 negatives, so I'm going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which gets me at negative 10. In number 4, I am at negative 4, and I am going to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, which puts me at negative 7. In number 5, I am going to start at 4, and I am going to the left 2, 1, 2, which puts me at 2. Now, if I am adding a positive, I go to the right. If I am adding a negative, I go to the left. If I am subtracting a negative, that means I'm going to the opposite of left, which is right. If I am subtracting 3, I'm going to the opposite of right, which means I'm going left. In number 5, I am adding a negative, which means I am going left. In number 6, it says you and your family play video games, and you have a final score of 40 points. You and your friends have a final score of negative 20 points. Use the number line to determine how many did you win by. So you have 40, all right, and you know your friends have a score of negative 20. So you're going to find the distance between the two. So I am at 40. Okay. And I am going to go ahead and, I'm going to know how many I won by. So you and your friends are at 21. I want to know the difference between these two. And I won by a difference of, if it was negative 21, I'd be going to the left. But because it is the opposite of left, I'm going to the right. So I am going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going all the way over, and my answer is 61. So I'm finding the difference between the two. I am at 40, and I want to know the difference between these two. So I'm at 21, and I go to the right 61. Thanks, guys.